kaya yun? Yan. How about that? Come on. How about this? It's real. Makabuluhan na makulit, yan po ang maririnig yung sagot. Aba, dito lang po yan sa Tok Tok Tok. Kasama natin si, what is your name?
Charles.
Charles, and you?
Syra.
Syra? And you? Martin. Very good, Martin. You like, what's that? You are
Bacon.
eating? Bacon. And I saw your bag. Beautiful bag. Hannah Montana. Are you the most popular kids in the family?
No.
How about in school?
I'm little girl of the family.
Do you know someone who's famous? Who? Me? What is my name? I'm famous. I can't believe in you. What is my name? I'm that famous. You even know my name. How about in school? Are you popular? Yeah? You're famous? Everybody knows you? Why?
Because they like me.
They like you? Why they like you?
Because they're the friends.
They're their friends. How about you? Are you popular? Yeah? How about you, Charles? What is popular means?
Famous.
Yeah? Very good. What do you want to be when you grow up?
A knight in shining armor.
Yeah, a knight in shining armor. Why?
Because I always dream about it.
You dream about it? Every night? Syra! What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to go to a big school.
What do you want to be, Charles, when you grow up?
Balloon salesman.
Balloon salesman? Wow! What a very, very high profession. But balloon salesman is a decent profession. Why do you want to be a balloon salesman?
I want.
Chicken right, ah?
What did you do to my chicken? You didn't ask permission.
I didn't eat my breakfast, eh. Because this production is so kuripot. Okay, what do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a princess.
Princess! Yeah. Are you all friends here?
Yes.
Yes, very
Yes.
good. Do you sometimes fight or disagree with one another?
We don't fight.
You don't. Very good, very good. You always love each other. Yeah. What about love? What is love?
I make love. When my daddy go to work, I say love you.
Yeah, very good. Also, mommy,
Also my mom.
why do you love your mama?
Because she is going somewhere. Because she takes care of us.
What do you like about your Lola?
I like Lola's hug and Lola's kiss.
My Lola sa akin, my Lola's
Kiss.
Yes, yeah. September is a Grandma and Grandpa's Day.
Hey.
Come on, come on. Hannah Montana.
We the bell, Mama. We don't know what you're singing.
Am I handsome? Am I handsome? Handsome.
Yeah, I think so.
Ata mo ako talaga. Mga kaibigan, bago po kami magkagulo-gulo dito, magbabalik po ang Kiddie!
What?